Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be in the good health and iman. And today inshallah we will do the exercises and the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. This poem is written by Robert Lee Frost. Robert Lee Frost is also the poet of nature. He talks about the beautiful scene of the cold day while he was passing through the snowy woods. So, whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though he will not see stopping here to watch the woods to fill up with snow. Uh, this extract uh, says that the poet says that ये किसके जंगल हैं हो सकता है इसका घर यहीं पे हो शायद मैं जानता हूँ इसको और ही विल नॉट सी मी स्टॉपिंग हेयर शायद उसने मुझे यहाँ रुके हुए नहीं देखा टू वॉच हिज वुड्स फिल अप विद स्नो इसके अपने जंगल बर्फ़ के साथ भरे हुए माई लिटल हॉर्स मस्ट थिंक इट क्वेयर मेरा छोटा सा घोड़ा भी इसको अजीब सोचेगा टू स्टॉप विदाउट अ फार्म हाउस नेयर यहाँ पे कोई फार्म हाउस भी नहीं है इसके बगैर यहाँ पे रुकना बिटवीन द वुड्स एंड फ्रोज़न लेक जंगलों और जमी हुई झील के बिल्कुल दरमियान में द डार्केस्ट इवनिंग ऑफ द ईयर ये शाम की साल की सबसे अंधेरी शाम भी है ही गिव्स हिज हार्नेस बेल्स अ शेक वो उनका जो हॉर्स है उस अपनी हार्नेस बेल्स को छोटी छोटी जो घुंघरू हैं ये हार्नेस बेल्स जो हैं इनको एक शेक देता है टू आस्क इफ़ देयर इज़ सम मिस्टेक ये पूछने के लिए कि क्या यहाँ पे कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं हुई द ओनली अदर साउंड स्वीप इस और बाकी भी साउंड्स की आवाज़ आ रही है और ऑफ ईजी विन एंड डाउनी फ्लीक लाइट हल्की हल्की हवा और बर्फ़ के फ्लेक्स गिरने की आवाज़ आ रही है द वुड्स आर लवली डार्क एंड डीप बट आई हैव प्रोमिसेस टू कीप एंड माइल्स टू गो बिफोर आई स्लीप एंड माइल्स टू गो बिफोर आई स्लीप जंगल बहुत ही खूबसूरत है डार्क है डीप है लेकिन मैंने अपने आप से प्रॉमिस किया है कि मैं जागता रहूँगा और मुझे बहुत लंबा अरसा तक लंबा सफ़र तय करना है सोने से पहले this poem is in this poem the rhyming pattern that he used is a no though here snow a no though snow are having same sound a sound a sound a sound b this is the second sound no though here snow a b a rhyming pattern is used queer near lake year queer near year is a b a same rhyming pattern is used in the third stanza, shake, mistake, sweep, flake. Shake, mistake, flake, A, sweep is B, A, rhyming pattern is used. In the fourth stanza, the rhyming pattern, deep, keep, sleep, it is used so A. So you will write A like this sound. The alphabets A, B, C, the rhyming pattern which is used. The next is exercises understanding the poem. There are 3 types of the question. Answer the following question. These questions are more difficult. Answer the questions about reference to the context. What is the rhyming pattern? So this one has been solved for you. If we see first page of your notebook, stopping by woods on a snowy evening, words to know, exercises understanding the poem, answer the questions. To whom did the woods belong? The woods belonged to a villager. Did the rider see a farmhouse? No, he did not. During which season do you think this event took place? Give a reason to your answer. Winter. It is snowy. The darkest evening of the year could be the reference to the longest night of the year. Usually it is 21st and 22nd December. What mood or atmosphere does the poem create? The poem creates the atmosphere of sleep. Why do you think riders stopped by wood? The riders stopped by woods to watch them fill up with snow. Why was horse puzzled? The horse was puzzled because he had stopped in the wood without a farmhouse near. Question G. Where do you think rider was going? I think he was going far away because he uses phrase miles to go before I sleep. What is the rhyming pattern in the poem? Do all the stanzas have same pattern? So I have already explained. No, all the stanzas have not the same pattern. Rhyming pattern in the first three stanza is A, B, A, and in the fourth stanza is A. As I have already explained, answer these questions about reference to the context. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. Who is poet? Who is he? The poet is speaking about. Horse is he. What is harness? Harness is a leather belt used to control the horse. Here leather spelling are correct. Need correction. Leather. Be careful about it. What is possible mistake? The possible mistake is to stop without a farmhouse without any reason. Okay. These are the question answers series at the page number 12 of your book. Hopefully you will be understanding. All the other exercises inshallah will be shown in the next video. Inshallah, stay blessed, do your work very neatly. After completing this chapter, inshallah, I will send you another video and you will send your assignment after preparing neatly and cleanly. And you will learn the assessment of this chapter. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.